Hi guys, welcome to Left WM here. Doesn't matter in which desktop I do this or tiling with a mirror I do this. It's about ArcoLinux tweak tool. We launch it with Ctrl-Alt-E. Then we say I'm root, and then we can have a choice. And there is something new. We have a new mirror. Enable seed host repo. Do not enable it and save as bandwidth. Paid Netherlands. Seed host is always up to date. Enable gitlab. That's the new guy. Free bandwidth. United States. GitLab syncs daily. Seen already some comments on Telegram that it's great. So it only matters where do you live, right? And Belnet repo from Belgium and RNet from Australia. So what happens with these when you update, right? So let me get that. So what I don't want people to do is think that this thing is a black box and it's push the button and that's it. I like making the ATT, but it's not the point, right? It wants you to always know what you're doing. And when you go to Super Shift Enter to your file system, to etc, there is a pacman.d, and pacman is your package manager, and the D stands for daemon. So this is an important guy, and the other guy is important, the other folder. And in there is the ArcoLinux mirror list. So that's new. So when you update your system, you get new packages in, and we have also a package that's called ArcoLinux mirror list. And it just has a list of things where to get what. Now, this is a bare system. ArcoLinux Bs are, well, there's no melt, let's say, and there is no sublime text and stuff like that. So it's entirely up to you. It's very minimal still. So melt is one thing I would like to install, and sublime text 4 is something I'd like to install because I don't want to live in nano, right? So I don't want this, or I think it's even Vim that opened. So when I open it now, it knows, oh look, the sublime text is there, so I'll show it in sublime text. And why is that? Because it's so much easier to show that this thing does that. A hashtag in front means you will save us bandwidth, because you know we pay for the seed hosting and the packages, and your packages, anything that you update that's coming from the ArcoLinux repos, that's there, right? It's coming from there, and that's paid, right? So if you say I'll save the guy some bandwidth, then you do it like this. Then that means that the next one up is GitLab. So if this is out, unused hashtag, then GitLab United States will take care of all your packages. If that's out, it's going to be the server from Belgium. If that one is out, it's going to be Australia. You see? And if that one is out, there is still a fallback. You cannot have nothing. But there is a catch. There is no extra large repo on GitHub. It says so. If you disable all these mirrors, you will no longer have access to extra large repository. Now maybe you don't need it, right? Maybe you don't want it, so that's okay. Just showing you what it means clicking on these buttons and understanding what's happening to your computer is for me more important than a fancy tool. Alright, so I'll end by saying, guys, if you want to save us some bandwidth, do it like this and then test it out. This is the new guy on the block. So if you do it like this, you'll get it from the United States and see how it goes for you. Alright, cheers.